Klitschko and his German trainer Fritz prepare him for the title shell. Seems inevitable. Bar staying back, and Wladimir test Klitschko early to see if he could.
Klitschko is not patient to make sure he doesn't burn it.
Loss in a fight at the end of 19, ran out of gas. In the 10th fight in which he had been leading, stopped in the 11th. Referee to call it to a halt. Relatively slow.
Wladimir right now, his favorite fighter was
feinting now. Feinting with his follow the motion. Wladimir sticks by Harold Letterman.
Solid jabs by Klitschko follow through pretty soon.
Asking him.
He's not moving much in the fight progress. The jab, beautiful force and power.
Right hand there. Seems evident.
He's very much aware. He's not using his footwork too much.
There's a hard right hand.
It's just that.
You know, you just saw that coming.
Right
Come
here.
to me. Give me your glove.
Doesn't stick. We worry about a knee
shot with the right hand.
This one with not as much.
Hand, Emmanuel.
It's starting
to avoid the worst.
Body that time by Klitschko.
That's it again.
Hand.
It's not a punch.
Hey, you okay?
It's a beautiful, straight right hand by a big man.
He has the quickness. Every chance. Stalking troll.
You see a
Top fight.
Muhammad Ali, Joe Frazier, and occasional left. Taking many chances and throwing much. I think even Lennox Lewis loops his.
not just today.
25 Vlad. It's right in front of that big guy. He's got. It's all there is to it. Can't stand in front of him because the.
Shufford backs off. Creates distance.
It's an offbeat jab. He's moving his bow gracefully, and the jab comes off. To regain that.
When you see a situation that Wladimir,
In their view.
for the most part,
Well, the odd thing was we asked him since he had because you were concerned.
That is distant weights.
exactly. Of course, Rahman is about Shufford's side. And
But I don't even see that much of a danger. But
round 6.
He's willing to throw more than one fight to survive.
sometimes good as a fighter with the experience going down. It's a good possibility, as well as a brilliant amateur going down in the stretch. He cannot afford to relax. Klitschko is getting closer and closer.
And Charles Shufford has a headache as he gets up at the count of 7 and wobbles. And Kenny
Left hook.
just kind of bodies Shufford off
Perfect left hook.
and crunches him with a